Hi friends, I'm 6 years old and today I drew this super cute unicorn kitty. She's pink, has a rainbow tail, and a magical horn. I love drawing animals and using lots of colors. I hope you like my drawing. Don't forget to subscribe and press like for more cute drawings. Bye!